and then we shall proceed. Mr. Amit Pandey, Senior Vice President and Head Procurement, SCM, HR and Admin with Ticona Digital Network Private Limited. He was also the General Manager with SCM. He has worked as Manager Purchasing with Honda Cars India Limited and has also enriched experience of working with Bharti Airtel Limited. Sir has been a CEO, a TEDx speaker, an executive coach, a motivational speaker, a leadership coach, and is an advisory council member of 3 universities and 4 colleges. He is on the board member of Infra Global Brand Ambassador of Procurement League, United States of America. He has been conferred with many awards, and to mention a few, he's been the Promising Indian of the Year 2018. He has honored with Young Inspirational Leader of the Year Award 2018, a Procurement Leadership Award by HPF 2018, and a Special Jury Award for crossing 100 awards in 6 years 2017. He's been also awarded with Human Charger of the Year 2017, which sounds very interesting and unique. The list is very long, so if I keep on talking about his dynamic profile, it's very huge to cover. But yes, keeping the time in mind, with these words, we are really very honored to have you with us, sir, today for this Anubhav 2020 program, which is an inter-college summer internship project competition. And with these words, I would request Mr. Amit Pandey to kindly address the audience with his words of wisdom. Over to you, Amitji.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. It's a beautiful morning. Good morning, everyone. And I was listening to Director ma'am. Director ma'am has put in some really, really beautiful words in our time. So just to share with all of you, during the COVID time, this is my 50th session, 50 session in college and corporate. So it's like a half century. And it took me 6 years for live sessions in colleges. That was around 153. So that's how the digital platform has changed. I used to do around 4 to 5 sessions in one day. And that cannot happen if it is not, it is only possible through digital platform. So thank you so much, Dr. Suren. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving such a wonderful introduction. I hope Hindi, English both okay. So let's make it a little bit more, connecting and not too serious. I have a very popular quote which says, "Be sincere, not be serious." I have seen people who become very serious in life; they stop laughing, and that's why I keep telling people, when you grow, never ever try to stop your laughing. Be happy is basically the mantra of any successful thing. So, wishing all the best to all the participants. And when Dr. Suren called me and he told me this beautiful concept, I was like very excited. That's wow. I think everybody has done the internship program, and now it's a kind of a competition. So if you see, guys, what is happening in last 5-6 months, a lot of people started talking about that these are like difficult times, these are like challenging times. I'll tell you, these are not difficult times. These are not challenging times. These are just different times. A time which, fortunately or unfortunately, I don't know, but we all are alive to see such thing. I don't see whether my father or grandfather or father's grandfather or grandfather, कहते हैं ना, हमारे पूर्वजों ने शायद ऐसा टाइम कभी नहीं देखा कि पूरा का पूरा हिंदुस्तान और पूरा का पूरा विश्व अपने अपने घरों में कैद हो जाए. It's a very different time, and if you see a lot of negative news coming around because of the COVID and all, but at the same time, COVID has given a lot of opportunities for us to revamp and rethink and recalibrate the way we humans live our life. I don't know whether you have observed or not during lockdown time. Have you seen that the birds are chirping in the morning? Have you seen those videos that the animals are on the road? Have you seen the skies becoming blue? I'm just in my, a small room because my office is having some repair activity. So, have you seen that in NCR, Gurgaon, and Ghaziabad, Noida, Delhi? You have seen that skies becoming more blue. People have reduced so-called the honking and everything. If you go towards Ghaziabad and Delhi highway, people have stopped doing the rash driving. I don't know why, but somehow I think people, humankind, has started becoming more as a part of a responsible citizen. And that's I would say that's a good change. What is happening? Okay. Apart from that, I've seen during a lot of sessions that a lot of people have, especially the students, they they see and they face. Most of them get worried about their job. You might have got your virtual internship, but you all might be thinking that economy is going down, the growth is actually getting converted into degrowth. The bottom of the pyramid is going to be filled by the corporate people who are on the first layer of the pyramid, because when the jobs are getting people are getting quitted by the from the jobs, and people are getting thrown out of the offices. What will happen? People will start getting their job in the bottom of the pyramid. So it's a reverse growth model which has started, but the good news is that industries are coming back, industries are revamping, things are coming right in place. So at this moment, I would suggest all of you, do not worry. I have seen a lot of students, they get so much of worried for their job. And what they do during those worry period, they stop preparing for their job. So let me give you the mantra of today. Stop worrying for your future, start preparing for your future. The more and more you get worried for your future, you will stop preparing for your future. What is in your hand is called preparation, not in getting worried. अगर चिंता करने से दुनिया की सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो चुकी होती, तो शायद हम लोग ये सब कुछ नहीं कर रहे होते, सब लोग बढ़िया गूगल मीट पे आते और हम लोग कहते कि चलो आओ सब लोग मिलके चिंताएं करते हैं. That doesn't happen, guys. It only happens that the moment we start putting our mind and soul and body to work towards our building our future. And that's what I would suggest all of you to start doing that. It's just like I think ma'am said that from I think next month onwards, I think the placement season is also getting started. So you all should not get worried. Just start thinking about different models. There are a lot of things what I can tell you, like how to prepare for your job interviews, how to prepare your mindset for a better future. But I know I have a limited time, so I'll just try to give you some kind of a mantras. Uh, I'll just give you a small. I know a lot of people, all of you might be, confused, in terms of whether you will get a job, and if you get a job, which job you will get. So when I talk to the students, most of the students says that they have designed their job. I'll tell you how you have designed your job. You have designed a job. This is called the sir MNC होनी चाहिए या बढ़िया startup होना चाहिए. If you all are doing your MBA, you will say सर कुछ भी मिल जाए बस सेल्स नहीं मिलना चाहिए. बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है कि आप किसी भी डोमेन में एक्सपर्टीज पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, चाहे वो मार्केटिंग हो, एचआर हो, ऑपरेशंस हो, आईटी हो, आपको कंपनियां जो आती है वो केवल सेल्स की प्रोफाइल दे रही हो. So that's the way how the system is designed. Especially when you go to the BTech, and people who do the BTech or BE, they say आप मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग करो, आप केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग करो, आप सिविल इंजीनियरिंग करो, बट आपकी जॉब आईटी में ही लगेगी. So that's how the MBA comes into the picture. So when you think about your future, do not design your job also. I'll tell you why. You will never ever basically receive something called the profession as per your choice. You will not select your profession. One profession one day will select you. So that's how the model says that it's called power of chance. That things coming by chance is much more important than things were coming by choice. If I tell you a little bit about my journey as born and brought up in Kanpur, did my engineering, never done my MBA, ख्वाब ही रहा. और हमसे इंजीनियरिंग ही बड़ी मुश्किल से हुई थी, because I was never ever good at studies. So इंजीनियरिंग बड़ी मुश्किल से हुई, तो हमने कहा भाई इंजीनियरिंग के बाद हम MBA नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so what you are supposed to do at this moment is do not design your job. Just be relaxed and keep preparing for whatever kind of job is coming. Any powerful personality is not designed for a specific job. Powerful personality means that whatever the job or task is being assigned to them, they become so powerful that they try to excel on that. So, this power of chance theory says that accept and excel. Whatever comes in front of you, accept it and start excelling. So, if you all can understand this small, beautiful two liner, accept and excel, whatever comes in front of you. I think not only for your job, but maybe for your next 20, 30 years life, you will be able to manage your life. If you are able to manage your life, you will be happy person. And I tell you, a lot of people says that, keep growing, keep growing, keep growing, and that's how people get success. I'll give you the real definition of success. Success is not growth. Success is not at all growing. When you add two more element on growth, and that is called ethics and integrity, that becomes progress, still not success. When you add two more element on progress, that is called happiness and peace. And that comes as a part of the success. So that means the formula works: growth plus integrity plus ethics plus happiness plus peace is equal to success. I have seen a lot of people who are growing like anything, a lot of people who are even progressing like anything, but at the same time, they are not happy. They are not peaceful. I don't know, lot of my CXO level friends, they say बस रात को नींद की गोली नहीं लेते हैं तो नींद नहीं आती. And I do a lot of executive coaching to CXO level people. And I सबसे पहले मैं उनकी दवाई हटाता हूँ, भाई नींद की गोली खाने की जरूरत नहीं. You need to keep your mind peaceful. And that is why you might have seen that a lot of people, when they grow, and they grow in a with due respect to all the so called the big people. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कॉर्पोरेट में जिसकी जितनी बड़ी डेजिग्नेशन हो जाती है, उसके चेहरे उतने ही मनूस हो जाते हैं. बिकॉज उसके चेहरे पे इतनी ज्यादा सीरियसनेस आ जाती है ना, बिकॉज वो इतना ज्यादा चीजों को लेकर के टेंशन ले लेता है. एंड देन when they carry their life with lot of tension, lot of stress, they react. Then they start reacting. Maybe you will forget whatever I'm saying today, but I'm telling you, let's remember this small 15-minute, 20-minute, whatever the short time discussion is there. I just want to tell you one thing, that your life is 10% of the action what you'll do, and 90% how you react to the situation, how you react to the people, how you react to the environment. I've seen a lot of people reacting to the COVID. I have not reacted. Stop getting into a reaction model. A reaction model is popularly designed by me. This is called basically a kachra theory. This is called garbage theory, to be in a very, very decent English language. Just to give you some punchline in your mind, I'm just going to share with you just a 1 minute video. If ma'am, if you can just allow me, so that everybody can understand what is action and reaction. Just a 1 minute video.
Sure, sir. Please.
Yeah. I'm just sharing just a second. I hope the video is visible, and just confirm if the audio is visible.
Yes, sir, it is coming. It's there now. Although audio part, we are not able to listen to it.
Oh, audio is not coming?
No, audio is not coming. Although video, we can see it.
How it is possible? Google Meet audio can come. Just a second, just a second. Let me just try again.
Ami, yes, come on in. How you doing?
Is it visible
Good.
now?
Yes,
Audio
sir,
and-
audio
Yes, sir.
and video both.
Ah, okay. Okay, it's a small video, so I'm just starting from some.
Tommy, yes, come on in. How you doing? Good. 23rd in Broadway.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's go. How are you today?
Doing good. There's so much to do. So much to do.
Whoa, whoa, watch out!
Whoa, that was close.
What the hell you always hit me? Where did you let me drive? I gotta do that. Keep it late now. No.
How are you so calm and so friendly? This guy almost ruined your car and sent us to the hospital.
Well, I'll tell you something, man. People are like garbage trucks.
Really now? How's that?
Well, they run around with garbage and they're full of disappointment, full of frustration, full of anger. And when their garbage piles up, they need a place to dump it on. And sometimes they'll dump it on you. But you know what? You don't take it personal. You just wave, smile, you wish them well, and you move on. Don't let their garbage spread to the people at work, at home, or on the streets. You love those who treat you right. Pray for those who don't. See, now life is 10% of what you make it. The other 90, it's how you take it.
A simple 1 minute mantra for you, not for your job, not for anything, for your entire life. 10% of the life how you make it, and 90% the life how you take it. When people start, so you see all these big people, you might have seen this big car people, and especially when you are in Delhi NCR, you might be seeing a lot of people. If you just even don't touch their vehicle, and that is like a big BMW, Mercedes, people can come out and you can see such kind of people. Almost all these people, when you see them, you understand that they have a lot of kachra, a lot of garbage in their mind. They have earned a lot of money, but they have not been able to keep their mind at peace. These are the people when you see and you realize that I have seen a lot of poor people in my life. The only thing what they have is called money. So you are not supposed to get into that model. When you become a leader of the corporate world going forward, become a powerful, passionate, and a strong personality leader in the corporate world. Wish you all the best, guys, and I hope you will have some takeaways from this small speech. Thank you so much, and wishing you all the best for today's competition.